Coming through with another video too, you done know. Say guys, I brought another awesome BMW to the channel. This is not just any BMW, this is the big body 7 series. I think the chassis code name is 7, no, FO2. Um, FO1 is the short wheelbase. This is actually the long wheelbase 7 series. I'm a very big fan of these generation of 7 series. They came with a lot of great options if you had the money to spend. This is a 740 Li, which in my opinion is the best trim to get the 7 Series in, because if you get the 750, it gets in a lot of problems, a whole slew of problems. And I don't want to get started on the 760. As a whole other bag of problems as well too. Now, am I saying those other trim levels are garbage? No. I'm just saying this is the best trim level when it comes to reliability and just everyday use. The 750 and the 760 are just not an everyday use car. This is more of a daily to pull up in and have that extra security that if you're driving this thing, it's not going to break down on you. The only thing you have to really worry about with these 7 series in particular is the electronics. But other than that, they're magnificent. Um, you guys know I love to pick up very optioned out cars. So as you can tell, this is an M Sport. Judging by the bumpers and the wheels, this does have a lot of options as well too. You see that camera that tells you 360. Let me take you guys on the inside. This is a very well equipped car. Um, it does have massaging. I just learned that this button actually controls the seat on the other side. Pretty interesting and cool. This is how you know you got all the options right here. This does have the digital dash as well. M Sport configuration. Heat and cool seats. 360 camera. Pretty much everything you want on your 7 Series, to be honest. It's the long wheelbase, so the door is long. Very wide. This is the back seat. Picture yourself an executive back here. Very nice. The car does have heads-up display too. This is a very well optioned out car. As per usual with me, I love picking up optioned out cars. It does have soft closed doors as well. This is the key. Pretty interesting it came with this key. Nice. Very cool. Soft close too. Very nice. I love these wheels. They're actually the M Sports. I love the M Sport they put on the sides of the door seals. Very nice. Would you guys believe this is a 2014? Let me just show you guys that soft close because I love when the car does it. Wow. Magnificent. Yeah, this is nice. This is a big body 7, man. Wow. I mean, it does have its little imperfections here and there, but it's a 2014, so you really can't expect perfection. I don't think a car from 2014 you should be expecting perfection, but for the age and the miles, this thing is nice. I'm gonna show you guys the hood. When you open up the hood, you see this big V8 I'm playing. This is actually the inline six N55, 300 horsepower, 300 foot-pound of torque, pushing this big beast. I mean, it's a really great power plant. It really does make the car move. You'll be surprised coming into this car and seeing how fast it is. I mean, it's not lightning fast, so like, don't get me wrong, it's not like a 335 or something, but it is pretty quick for it moving in this big body configuration. Um, these N55s are very reliable. People online love these cars. I mean, if they are kept stock, they're very reliable. You start running into problems when you mod them. But this car has never been modded. It's completely stock. What you see is how it came from factory, stock. Um, yeah, 300 horsepower and it moves very well. And 55. This car does have 160,000 miles on it. I don't think I told you guys the miles, but it has 160,000 miles. Let's see if I can. Yep, there it is. 161,029 is on the car. All right, you guys. So this is pretty much the car. I just wanted to give you guys a little run around of the car that I picked up from auction. It's a very nice 740 Li. I am going to be selling this car in the near future. But of course, I love to drive around my cars before I sell them. But this is a very nice example of a F02 7 Series from 2014. Please like and subscribe to the channel and stay positive. You done know.